Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a beginning flip through of my bullet journal for you. I'm just going to be showing you the beginning of my journal before the spreads came about. And sorry if you can hear birds in the background. I'm doing my voiceover in my room and there's birds. I have pet birds, so they're going to be annoying. But anyways, I have this page starting off. It's a nice quote by Mike Klepper that I just decided to put in here to motivate me. And then I have my beliefs and values pretty prominent on the page so that I can see them clearly and use them sort of as affirmations in the morning, the beliefs section in particular. And then I have my 2018 goals on the right side, and I categorize them by each category in my life, and I reference this page quite often for my goal wheel. I take a look back at it just to see if I can fill in a section of my goal wheel because I completed one of the goals within the category. I finished it off with some cute little plants on the bottom of the page, and that completes my goals and beliefs section of my journal. The next set of pages has a plethora of ideas on it. We have some books that I would like to read, some podcasts, cute date ideas, and places I've traveled to in 2018. So I'll start off by explaining the books. One of my habits that I include in each spread is to read once a day, and so basically I try to finish a book every month, and then I go in and check it off once it's finished and give it a rating out of 5 stars. The podcasts I just have listed at the top. I add more as I go, and same with the date ideas and the travel. The next set of pages is the 2018 calendar. Every month is included in this, so it can be viewed very clearly. I did highlight a few dates, but I didn't write what they are specifically. I can just tell what they are right away by looking at them, and I found that I didn't have enough space below the months anyway to write what they were. The pink is holidays, and the blue is birthdays. And then I have everybody's birthday listed out on this page. I just drew a giant birthday cake and put some candles on top. Once everyone's birthday happens, I'll go in and put a flame on the candle, and I just think it's a really cute idea. I had to add a second cake at the bottom just because I ran out of room. If you guys want to do this, I definitely recommend it. It's so cute, and I think it's cool to go in and fill in the flame once the birthday happens, and then you can be like, oh, that birthday happened and I remembered it and I filled in the flame, or whatever, you guys can make of this whatever you want. That's the beauty of bullet journals. You can do whatever the hell you want with them, and they are still creative, and they're how you like it, they're how you function, and they just help you become better in life and more motivated, and that's what everyone needs. That's especially what I need. So anyways, enough blabbling. You guys are probably wondering what this next page is about and want me to explain it, so I'm going to get into that. This is the final set of pages in the beginning of my bullet journal. I have a 19 before 19. I got this idea from other bullet journal videos here on YouTube, and I thought it was a great idea. I obviously haven't filled out every number, but basically, I put in what I thought up already, and I will cross it off as I go. I actually just got a job, so I crossed that off after I made this video. So that's one off the list. And then I have my savings on the other side. I'm saving up to travel, to buy a new car, and of course to pay for a home in my future. So basically, I grouped the car and the house together, and then the travel is just by itself. So I grouped the car and the house together because those are obviously big expenses, and the travel I'm just slowly building up as I go. I don't really have like a huge goal that I want to get to, but I think what I have there, so 6,000, is fair enough for what I'm trying to get to. It's a start in what I want, but it's not like a whole house or a car that I want to buy, so that's why that's in its own little section. But yeah, that is it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I had such a blast making this video. I love making videos for you guys, and I really hope you get inspired from these. So if you do, please give it a like and subscribe. That would mean so much to me. And have an awesome weekend, an awesome Mother's Day, and I will see you guys next week with another video. Adios!